The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is January 18th, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story today is from CNBC.com. U.S. housing starts down sharply on drop in single-family units. U.S. home building fell more than expected in December, recording its biggest drop in just over a year amid a steep decline in the construction of single-family housing units following 2 months of hefty gains. Housing starts decreased 8.2% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.192 million units, the Commerce Department said on Thursday. November's sales pace was revised up to 1.299 million units from the previously reported 1.297 million units. December's percentage drop was the largest since November 2016. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast housing starts decreasing to the pace of 1.275 million units last month. Our second story today is from CNBC.com. U.S. weekly jobless claims total 220,000 versus 250,000 expected. The number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits fell more than expected last week to the lowest level in 45 years, but the decline likely overstated the health of the labor market as data for several states were estimated. Initial claims for the state unemployment benefits dropped 41,000 to a seasonally adjusted 220,000 for the week ended January 13th, the lowest level since February 1973. The Labor Department said this on Thursday. Claims for the prior week were unrevised. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast claims falling to 250,000 in the latest week. Claims had increased over the previous 4 weeks, with economists blaming difficulties adjusting the data for seasonal fluctuations around moving holidays and unseasonably cold weather. Our third story today is also from CNBC.com. Cryptocurrency prices edge higher, with Ripple bouncing back 60% after severe sell-off. Major digital currencies edged higher on Thursday after a 2-day sell-off saw the world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, lose more than 50% from its December high. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the first and second largest virtual currencies by market value, appeared to recover after Wednesday's lows. Bitcoin fell as low as $9,199.59 on Wednesday morning, but bounced back to $11,748.84 as of Thursday, 9:54 a.m. Eastern Time, according to CoinDesk, which tracks prices from cryptocurrency exchanges, including Bitstamp, Coinbase, BitBit, and Bitfinex. It was up more than 5% in the last 24 hours. Our next story today is from CNBC.com. Wyndham Worldwide to buy La Quinta's hotel business for $1.95 billion. U.S. hotel operator Wyndham Worldwide said on Thursday it would acquire La Quinta's hotel operations for $1.95 billion, it said on Thursday, adding another well-known U.S. brand and nearly 900 mid-scale, upper mid-scale, and economy locations to its portfolio. Wyndham Hotel Group, known for its own brand sales, as well as Ramada Days Inn and Super 8 budget lodgings, will now have a total of 21 brands when the La Quinta deal closes in the second quarter of 2018. Shares of La Quinta rose 8.4% on the news, while those of Wyndham rose 2.5% in pre-market trade. And our final story of the day here is from investing.com. China's 2017 GDP growth accelerates for the first time in 7 years. China's economy grew faster than expected in the fourth quarter of 2017 as an export recovery helped the country post its first annual acceleration in growth in 7 years, defying concerns that intensifying curbs on industry and credit could hurt expansion. The official growth figures released on Thursday are welcome news for Beijing policymakers who are looking to cut debt and pollution in older industries without shunting growth in the world's second largest economy. China's gross domestic product grew 6.8% in the October-December period from a year earlier. That was better than the 6.7% growth forecast by analysts in a Reuters poll and unchanged from the previous year. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, January 18th, 2018. Your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great day.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.